In this video I will show you how to install wrapping film on an Orkel compactor. Begin with opening the spring-loaded film holder as shown. Avoid placing the film roller vertically, as this can damage the film and easily cause breakages. Make sure that the top cone is in the upper and locked position. Place the film roller on the bottom cone, then align it with the top cone so that it stands straight up. Release the locking of the top cone to secure the roller in place. Pull out approximately 1 meter of wrapping film. Pay attention to the unwinding direction to ensure that the roller is not upside down. Thread the film as shown. It is important that this is done correctly to achieve up to 70% pre-stretch of the film. Hold the film end tight while you close the spring-loaded film holder. Pull out enough of the film end to attach it to the film cutter. Now you should be done and the wrapping can begin.